Hello annyeong, this is Yuhi from One Eye Beauty. As you can see, today's video is a bit different. It's a voiceover featuring the exciting February Vana box from Stylevana. This A-list glow roaster box features hand-picked Korean skincare products for your full morning and night routine. Inside, you'll find the handy card listing all the items. This box saves you 43.8% compared to buying individually. This is available from today, 12th of February 2025. So you can grab it easily. I'll leave its link in the comments for you. Remember to use my code INF10OEB to get an extra 10 to 15% off discount. Shall we take a look inside? Before I reveal the box, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to show some love and support. 감사합니다. Thank you so much. Starting with April Skin Keratin IPMP Hydro Melt Cleansing Balm. This is one of my most favorite cleansing balms. It's incredibly soft, sorbet-like balm that gently melts away makeup, sunscreen, and excess sebum. Keratin IPMP helps reduce oil production, improving blackheads, whiteheads, blemishes, and inflammatory acne. Plus, it has the most amazing smell. With its ultra soft texture and refreshing scent, cleansing has never felt this sweet. Moving to the next product in the list is VT Redo Shot All-in-One 3-Step Mask. A powerhouse 3-step treatment designed to hydrate, firm, and revitalize your skin. Step 1 is Redo Shot 300. I'm showing you here using its full-size bottle. This is a potent essence with hyaluronic acid and collagen-boosting amino acids plus 237,500 Sika Riddles to prep your skin for maximum absorption. Step 2. This is a creamy Redo Shot sheet mask drenched with peptides, panthenol, and hyaluronic acid to deeply hydrate and smooth your skin. As soon as it wraps around your face, you'll instantly feel incredibly hydrated. There's so much essence in this. I gave my skin every last drop, and the glow was unreal. Step 3. Redo Shot Lifting Cream. This is a nourishing collagen-rich moisturizer that locks in hydration and boosts elasticity for a lifted, youthful look. Each step features VT Sika Redo technology inspired by microneedling to enhance absorption for next-level skincare results. Moving to this viral Korean toner, Round Lab 1025 Dokdo Toner. It's Korea's #1 toner for a good reason. This lightweight, deeply hydrating toner absorbs instantly, leaving a fresh, non-sticky finish. Infused with pure deep-sea water, it provides intense moisture and works beautifully when applied with a cotton pad or as a toner mask, leaving your skin deeply hydrated. Next is Medicube PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. This glow-boosting serum is powered by 10,000 ppm of salmon PDRN, helping to firm, hydrate, and brighten dull skin. It also prevents future breakouts while enhancing your skin's elasticity and resilience, the perfect balance of strength and nourishment. Next, Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Baekuchiyo Eye Cream. I have this one with me already. As you can see here, I've used so much of it. This gentle eye cream is infused with Baekuchiyo, a natural alternative to retinol, to smooth fine lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet for a more youthful, radiant look. Next one is a unique Centella Calming Gel Cream. This cream is a cult favorite for sensitive skin. Formulated with 72% Centella extract and 10% tea tree leaf water, this lightweight gel cream provides soothing relief while balancing troubled skin. This is such a refreshing jelly-like cream that absorbs quickly without feeling heavy. The last one is Purito Salt Daily Soft Touch Sunscreen SPF 50+, PA 4+. I absolutely love this highly moisturizing sunscreen, infused with centella extract to soothe irritation and 5 types of ceramides to provide deep hydration and long-lasting moisture for a smooth, even texture. It'll leave a radiant semi-matte finish, perfectly prepped for the day. This Stylevana VANA box is packed with amazing Korean skincare essentials that cover everything from cleansing to sun protection. This box is available now and you can get an extra 10 to 15% off discount with code INF10OEB. Grab yours while it lasts. Which product are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next Korean beauty show. 안녕!